Okay, I am up here at the Knoblich Tower site. Get your jokes out of the way, perverts. I said Knoblich. Yep. Anyway, this is a pretty high spot overlooking, well, pretty much anything. So this is the glade. Everything kind of goes off from there. Good sunny day where you can see everything going on. Running right through there and even all the way up that way is US 67. So you'll see some cars down there if I can zoom in for it. Yeah, there's 67. Haven't been up here in 15 years. I don't recognize it so much. That's going south. Anyway. What we have here is the Knoblich Tower. That tower was used for by the U.S. Forestry Service for a long time to basically look for wildfires, forest fires and stuff in the area. Back in the 80s, you could actually go all the way to the top. I never got to do that though. Right now, you pretty much can only go like maybe right there on that lift, but you can still see above the tree level there. Some of us here a minute ago, but they left when I pulled in, so let's go over here first. Paved sidewalk. Now, when I was a kid, we used to have campfires and stuff here. I know my church came up here one time when I was, I don't know how old, single digits. We roasted marshmallows and hot dogs, but now on the website it says you can't have open fires or anything anymore, so I guess they changed that, and they changed that too because, well, people are idiots and they ruin it for everybody else. Got a pretty good view around here. There's a highly carved picnic table. Glad I picked a sunny day, you can see a lot farther. Looks like we've had some large hounds coming in here. Interesting. Let's go out to this area here. Yeah. Let me zoom out a little bit, zoom in a little bit. Pretty good view of this part of St. Francis County. See pretty far off. Make sure I can focus out there. I wonder how far away that is. I think I hear an eagle. Road is insanely rough coming up here. I guess it's not maintained too well. This would be a good place to be at night. See stars if it's clear. I can't even pull my arm back far enough to get enough shot at me and everything else. There we go. Oop. This isn't the highest point I've been on. I've been up on Tom's Sock plenty of times. Anyway. The old rocky glade. I can see that better on the camera than I can with my eye. Some nice places. It's really cool. 940 is just a lot of trees and hills. Can't see this far. Let me get up on this rock here. See off that way. It's hard to see in the sunlight glancing off everything. But anyway, I guess I'll try to go up over there. You already see they don't maintain that either. Get the focus. Is that a bird? A thingy? It's a birdie. It's a pigeon. Okay. I'll find the pathway up that way. The view will be even better up there. Hope they still let you up there. Things go downhill and let it rot, and then it's kind of fall apart anyhow. Yeah, this hasn't been maintained much. You're supposed to be able to go to that. At least we used to. Unless they block it off. Clint Skinner Memorial Lookout Tower. Climb tower at own risk. Alrighty. Heck of a thing for acrophobics. The steps are narrow. It's a little bit of a workout. A lot of people probably don't come up here. There we go. At least the steps seem pretty good. Oh yeah. Crazy amount of graffiti. Padlocks. It's like being in a cage. Oh yeah, they totally cut that off up there so you couldn't get up there if you wanted to. Huh. Oh yeah, you can see all around here. Even this high up. A little bit windy too. Klug Transport. All the Truckses. Lots of Truckses. It's in the upper 30s right now, so it's not the warmest, but that's how it is. It's winter. '67 rolling down there. '67 heading way south. It's almost like Cherokee Pass or something like that. No, you wouldn't be there yet because it's Fredericktown first. It's kind of hard to go through bars. Oh, we got something chooching down there. Forest fire. Don't focus. Back here a little bit. There it is. Might just be a brush fire or something. Controlled, maintained. There's an opening. It's pretty neat up here. You can imagine what it's like way up there in the actual room over there, but there's no way to get up there anymore. Because otherwise this would have come up and worked its way up to right there. And just kept going up and up and up from there. Oh well. You can still see pretty good from down here. There's a walkway came from down there. Supposed to be an 80-acre parcel of land right here, but I haven't seen a whole lot of it. I think the most I did was go down there, down the hill from the glade before. It was like 15 years ago. It's like right here, about eye level for me, so I gotta duck down and look underneath it. It's gonna focus way over there. middle of the field. A little bit of wind. It's not the most expensive camera in the world, but it does what it does. Alright guys, I'm going to descend now. Catch up with you later. Warrior 526 has landed. I thought I'd scan around down here on the ground. Oh, that's nice. So I'd hate to have improper cannabis. Hey. Let's go walk through this little pathway back to the glade area. Oh, mud. Lots of mud. Whoa, gosh. Mud's too much. Even up here. Okay. Back on solid land here. Anyway, it's pretty neat up here. Haven't been here in 15 years and I haven't really got a good look at it either. Too young or too distracted. Don't think about that, that's not what it was. Kind of scared by the, go over here on the rocks. So I was just right up there. And I can't go up that way. It used to be brown. Like old pictures from the 80s, it was a brown. Oh well, that's okay. Oh. Where's my balance? Okay. One last shot of the area before I head off. And there you go.